Here I've got Apple iPhone 12 and let me show you how to change language on the following device. So at the very beginning you have to enter the settings, then find and select General and go to Language and Region right here. And then just select iPhone language and you can pick from the following list whichever language you would like to apply. So let me pick for example Turkish, tap on Change to Turkish, wait a couple of seconds. And that's it. If you'll go back, you'll be able to see that the whole device language has been changed. And now if you'd like to change it again, just go to the General, select language and input, go to iPhone language, and then go back to English or change language again. And one more time, just wait a short while, and as you can see, it has been changed. So this is it, that would be all. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.